Hey Planner Pals! My name is Tiffany. Welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. If you're new here, welcome. We're glad to have you. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing a meal plan for the month of November. I'm going to be using my insert from the Budget Mom that comes in the Budget by Paycheck Workbook. However, as I've explained in prior videos, you can use any blank calendar that you have in order to complete this process. Is very beneficial and helpful as you put together your budget for the month to help you with maintaining your spending goals when it comes to food. On my meal plan, I track the meals that I plan to make throughout the week, the days that we plan to take out, though sometimes it can jump around depending on schedules or unexpected things. And then the last piece of it obviously is any extra things that we may not be taking into account. And this month in particular is a little special because it's obviously Thanksgiving during this month. And so I'll also be taking some things into consideration that particular week because we'll be planning for the big meal and then also having friends and family over. So I want to just make sure that we are pacing ourselves in terms of meals and planning for that special event this month. And hopefully this will be helpful for you in terms of holiday planning and figuring out how to put your meals together around these special events throughout the year. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, for this particular spread, I'm going to be using the Cheerful Seasons sticker book from the Happy Planner in order to do my decorating. But before I get to that point, we obviously have to start by formatting our calendar. Now, the one thing I really like about this particular calendar is that it is undated and unmarked, meaning that I can customize it to my liking. So I can fill in the days of the week, whichever day I want to start my week with, and then also I can fill in all of the days of the month that way as well. And then I particularly like to use inserts from various magazines. I keep just a stack of them on my planner desk that I will literally kind of claw through to figure out my meals for the month based on what my different themes are. But we'll get into more of that a little bit later. So let's start by formatting our meal plan first. Okay, so I'm going to use my Planner Kate. These are actually Julie Plans font, and I really love Julie. If you don't follow her, you need to. Julie Plans on Instagram. She's awesome. She's been planning for a very long time, and though she doesn't use the TBM product, she uses quite a few others, and a lot of her planning ideas can be translated to any planners. Okay, I just went ahead and filled in the days of the week. I just thought about it afterwards. I probably should have covered that up with a nice piece of washi just to kind of continue the theme, but it's okay. We're going to plan around that. I'm going to use one of my Erin Condren markers, and I'll include these in my affiliate links below in case you're interested. I have them in quite a few colors, but today I'm just going to keep it simple and just use one. Okay, so these are my days of the week, and now I just need to start filling in the details for my meal plan. So the first thing I like to do is actually write out this monthly food budget. I don't normally track that. I normally try to track actually how much I'm spending on food in a month. So I'll go back and fill that in. Now I like to fill in my themes, as I call them. So some days of the week I have themes in which I try to plan my meals around. For instance, on Fridays are always takeout days. Sundays are always like a slow cooker family meal type of day. Monday we do anything besides seafood. Wednesday we do seafood. Tuesdays are Fend for Yourself days, and Thursdays are my daughter's cook days. So, and then Saturday and Sunday are actually kind of like wild card days for dinner. So I normally just plan around either brunch, doing a brunch that day, or baking. Those are two things that we've gotten into in our household, and so I'll try to track whether I'm doing a brunch week or baking week on my calendar. So let's start filling in the details for those. I love these Fend for Yourself stickers by Planner Kate, in case you're interested. As you can see, I need to reorder because I've used up quite a bit of the colors here, but they are so cute for marking off the days when it's Fend for Yourself Day. So I'm going to use these little stickers from my sticker collection. I'm sure they're from either one of the Supermom sticker books or the household sticker books. I'm not sure, but I've just had them for a long time, and they will be cute for our Sunday meals. And then I'll actually use these little cute cakes to show my baking days. Though it's not a birthday, I'm just going to use them since they are something baked for my bake days. So I was able to find some takeout stickers in this food book by The Happy Planner, and I'm going to use those. Then I'm going to use my orange marker to fill in the meals that I have planned. The 16th is actually my daughter's birthday, so I'm going to put a little cake here because we'll do something special that day. Now it's time to figure out what the meals will be for the week. And this process is a little bit longer simply because I really do have to sift through all my recipes. But I'm going to try to do that quickly and then come back at the end and run through what exactly I chose, and then also throw in a few decorative things to close it out. So let's do it. Okay, I think that is it. I've got my weekday Monday meals, my family meals on Sunday. I love these cute little place setting stickers that I was able to find in my food sticker book by The Happy Planner. Takeout days, my daughter's cook nights, Thanksgiving. I made the night before Thanksgiving a wild card. Either we'll eat out and or just make something in the freezer that day, kind of whatever we have, because we will probably have a lot here for that dinner. So I'll try to plan around that during that week. And then the Fend for Yourself Day Tuesday will probably also be kind of a wild card day as well. I'll try to make sure that we have things around the house that we can just pick up and grab and eat, because there'll be a lot of shopping and preparation for Thanksgiving during that week, as we talked about before. I'm going to grab my decorating sticker book we talked about before and use some of these stickers to fill in. So I really love the pumpkins. All right, so that is my meal plan for this month. I went ahead and added a few pumpkins and kind of harvest stickers. I hope you enjoyed putting together this meal plan with me. If so, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Take care, planner friends.